I feel like Tehaleh is a hidden gem. I love that no matter where your house is located, you're very close to one of the wooded trails out here. Prior to living in Tehaleh, I went through a weight loss journey, and a big way that I accomplished that was through running. Living in Tehaleh has made it so much easier for me to maintain the healthy, active lifestyle. I can just go out my front door and go for a run or a walk in a place that's really beautiful. I feel really blessed to live in Tehaleh. This is an amazing community.